Deforestation is a huge environmental challenge. Simply put, deforestation is the clearing of wide areas of trees down. Our planet, forests are some of the most valuable resource we have. They provide us with clean air, food, construction material, and much more. Even more importantly, forests are major line of defense against climate change. Single tree can absorb up to 48 pounds of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere each year, which makes them the most effective scrubbing machine we have. Furthermore, forests are being systematically all across the world, which a process known as deforestation. Agriculture of palm oil and cattle, along with foraging for wood and fuel, are the top cause of deforestation. Let's analyze and discuss the problem of deforestation faced by Malaysians. It's not that easy to say that 67.6% or about 22 million hectares is forested. This is an increase of around 13 million hectares since 2020. Although most of the new forest is palm oil plantation, in this deforestation, 18.7% is classified as primary forest, the most biodiverse and carbon dense from the forest. Additionally, the mention that Malaysia is accelerating faster than that of any other tropical country in the world. It happens due to agriculture because of farming, land grazing, wood extraction, and expansion. I need to highlight that clearing a path to create roads allowing easier overland transportation, which also lead to deforestation. If this continues, reducing biodiversity happens when forest cover is removed, wildlife is deprived of habitat and become vulnerable to hunt. Malaysia is home that 15,500 species of higher plants, 746 birds, 300 mammals, 376 reptiles, 198 herbivores, and 368 species of fish. Rather than that, burn thousands of hectares across Malaysia, especially on the island, cause serious pollution and health problems. Moreover, animals affect the ecosystem and being no shelter. To overcome this in an engineering way, reduce deforestation particularly, it's focus on reusing items, reducing the use of artificial items and recycling more items. Other than that, to handle this in non-engineering way is to extend of forest destruction. Effort to stop the human activities can be in laws and regulation at governmental and organizational levels. SDG 15 Life on Land goals are to protect and restore ecosystem, and by reducing deforestation, we can achieve this goal at the same time by following up an engineering and non-engineering solution as stated above. I believe that we can achieve this goal and make ourselves better, and also I believe it's not too late to save our lands and forests.